Hey brother, where are we?
Iceland!
We're in Iceland! Okay, we survived our WOW air flight and...
They tried to scam me out of a water bottle.
Yeah, that was funny. Brother goes to try and get a water bottle and it was about $400 round trip for us to get to Iceland. And so they make you pay for literally everything. And so brother's like, can I get a water?
But they got it ice and they started getting it ready to pour out, and then at the end it's like $48.
So he didn't get a water, so I had to split my water with him. But so now we're here, and WOW Airlines was phenomenal. We had really large leg room, which was nice, because I got to stretch out. Brother got to sleep with his hat over his eyes.
It was surprisingly normal.
Anyway, we're now in Iceland. We got our rental car figured out. We had to ditch out on the manual car because neither of us know how to drive manual. And now we're going to Reykjavik!
Reykjavik!
So we were driving to our Airbnb and we passed the Blue Lagoon and here we are. Mom, turn off this vlog from here on out and we'll tell you to skip ahead.
We decided after a nice long plane ride it was time for a spa. You think of the Rock?
What you'd expect. We're in Iceland.
We're just gonna stand up now.
We just went in the Blue Lagoon.
We're on a volcano.
I know, it's so weird because all of it, there's like no grass here. It's just volcanic rock and then moss. But then they have these like geothermal baths that are just this like bright sky blue color. And it's so, we feel like we're on the moon or a different planet. But anyway, it's a lot of fun. What do you think of the Blue Lagoon?
It was good. We saw some Martians with mud mask heads.
Yeah, they give you mud masks, whatever, for your face, and it's just bright white, and everyone just puts it all over their body. They look like crazy people. But it's okay. It's okay. We made it to downtown Reykjavik.
City center.
So we're like 2 blocks from the city center in Airbnb. We just walked this church where we're starving, but we knew it was right here. And now we're so hungry, but we're gonna find it. I'll go to the top because we want to do that at some point. But we're too hungry right now. It's 7 o'clock and look how light out it is. Walked down to the water from the city center of Reykjavik, and it's okay. We made it to the boat, and it's a little windy.
The boat.
It's just on the side of the highway. It's pretty cool though.
That's it.
We're still on the hunt for food because we just realized we haven't eaten yet. Where did you find a good one?
Yes.
There's one street. What time is it?
8:20.
So it's 8:20 right now. It's still so light out.
Look where the sun is in the sky.
If you look ahead of us, you can see the sun is still all the way like up here. But my thing is, like, we haven't eaten all day like I said, but the thing that's weird is it seems like it's like 2 in the afternoon. So we don't know what time everything closes. But wait, what was the food place?
On the left, somewhere.
What kind of food is it?
It's an edible kind.
It's good food. But we're so hungry. We ate breakfast at 1:30 Iceland time, which was 6 a.m. West Coast time. So now we're just trying to get, is it that grill right there? Is that it?
No, maybe.
Oh look, a caribou. Look at this thing.